Hello, traders. It's Andy with Trade Ideas. It is October the 23rd and on a Monday morning. So let's take a look at the market. Boy, 3 really ugly days there in the SPY and the other indices pretty much the same. Uh, we are gapping down to this really just below this 420 level, which has been a huge pivot level. So be careful out there. You want to see if this pivot level holds, and we're going to take a look at some stocks that have some nice setups too. But honestly, I'm not in anything right now, so be careful. And let's take a look at them. There are some few setups here. The first one on this one is Jackson Financial, and liking the little tail there off the 20 period moving average, bouncing, closing right at the 10 period moving average. That is still a very bullish chart. Another one out there is LULU. Now, LULU had a drive down on Friday, and it bounced right off its 10 period moving average. So looking for a bar reversal above Friday's high in that one. Once again, keep it tight. If these do, if you do get a bar reversal and it fails and comes back into this range, just on the way I look at it, I get out. So CRNX is one. I think it's on our strength alerts from Michael today, and for about 6 weeks now, this thing had a big gap up and it's been kind of going sideways. So put your little price alert maybe around the 30-50 area and see if it can break through there. And maybe time for a couple of more. FTI. FTI is, there you go. Nice pattern there. Been bouncing off the 20 and the 20 again and closing above its 10 period moving average. So you can see there, nice little bullish setup there in that FTI. But once again, guys, don't feel like you have to do anything. It's kind of ugly right now, and keep it tight, and I'll talk to you tomorrow. Bye-bye.